Hello. Today I want to talk to you about how to analyze your mocks, especially with respect to DILR and quant. Now see, in DILR, there are two opposing strategies that I deployed for both DILR and quant. In DILR, I would not look at the solution after the mock is done. Okay, so suppose there are 4 sets hypothetically, and I decide during the exam that I want to do set number 1 and 4. But because of a time constraint, I could solve only one. Okay, now when I'm sitting down to analyze my mocks, I would actually go down and see, I would try to solve set 4 without a time pressure. I would try to solve it without any kind of assistance, because it is important that I figure out how to crack it logically. See, in DILR, it is not about the answer, because no two questions are ever going to be the same. That's the beauty and the peril of DILR, because you never know what is going to come. But what is important is that you develop that sort of an analytical bent of mind to tackle whatever question might come. Okay? But in quant, there's a reverse strategy that I deployed, which is that if there were questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and I suppose I got 2 and 4 correct, and I didn't attempt 3, I would go through 2, 3, 4, all of them. In 2 and 4, I would see what is the shortest way to get to the solution. Because see, in quant, a lot of these topics get recycled. Questions are also recycled quite often. Sita will become Gita, 10 apples will become 2 apples. Of course, there are some questions which will be absolutely out of the box, but we are trying to target the heavily recycled questions. So it's important. You'll see, when you see the question, you'll know I've done 5 questions like this before. So in that case, what is more important is how quickly you can solve it. Because the quicker you solve this, the more time you'll have for the tougher questions which are new, right? So that becomes very important. So I would urge you to look at the solution for quant. If you couldn't solve a question, or if you got a question wrong, look at the solution, write it down in a book of errors, and maintain it and keep revising it. But in DILR, don't look at the solution. It's a very pointless exercise, because if you look at the solution, then you're never going to learn how to think critically. Because of course the solution will tell you, and solution देख के सब समझ जाते हैं. It's really not that hard. What is difficult is how you arrive at it. So yeah, I hope that helps. It's a short video, of course, but if it helps, let me know. If you have any other questions, drop it in the comments, and I'll try to address them. Good luck for your prep, and see you soon.